Well, this is my meter stick I've been taping all day. And right now it's about 22 inches. Only about 2 more inches until it gets 22 feet. Here's my driveway. Full of snow. Hasn't been plowed. It's such an easy thing to walk. It's not. I'm sinking in snow. This is my backyard. You can barely see the snowman I made a week ago. He's been swallowed up in the snow. There's the backyard. Look at the balls. Has about a foot and a half of snow on top of them. Walking towards the road. If I can get to it. Somebody's car got really stuck in. That's my neighbors. Still snowing. Look at that little snow. Look at that pile of snow. This is not usual for Minnesota. Not. Look at that. I think I could probably make a 2 feet. Probably can make like a 10-foot high snowman at the end of the weekend. It's very, very, very snowy here. And I hate it.